Hey guys, this is Juan from Team Sketch2React, and today I'm going to show you something that has come up from time to time on our Slack forum and other places. It's the question how to offset things in code directly from Sketch. So one of the first things that you need to understand is that what you see here when it comes to alignment and stuff like that, very seldom is what you get in our code app. And how do you create a custom CSS plugin? It's actually really easy. This is a custom CSS plugin. I have named the first one Y offset -20, and we have a -80 pixel margin, and the other one is the other way around, so it's pushing things 80 pixels downwards, and that one is called Y offset. You could call this anything you want. The important thing is, first of all, you need to link this inside of Sketch the right way. So you need to create a external asset.css. Looks like this. You need to name it exactly like this. That one. This one is optional. You can name this version 2, whatever. Then you need to open up terminal and drag-drop your CSS file onto it. I can show you how I did this. So new terminal window, and then here's my CSS, custom CSS file. And this file path here is the one you need to copy, and you begin by writing file : / and then this one onto it like that. That's starting out. Then say that you want, let me look what we have done here. So here's the van. It's like layered upon the cactuses. So we get that result by, this is the column with the van, and in here I have a class that's named Y -offset -20. So I can show you the power of this. Say that we want to make this, maybe change this like 50 pixels minus. Let's check out in our code app. Let's make sure like that. I don't know if you saw some change here. It was too small. Let me check this out. Y offset like that. That's the one. And then we have the text that goes down. Let me do something more extreme here. Let's say -200 pixels instead. Let's save like that. Now you see the changes. Let's fix this to there, maybe nothing here actually, like that. Nice. So let's say that we want to change this. The van is too far up, so let's go to our -100 instead. And let's save. You need to save inside of Sketch for our code app to understand that something has happened. So now you see this one is further down, and let's fix this one. So let's go on a trip. It's this one, so say 150 in the offset, like that. So this is how you offset things with custom CSS. Awesome. Have a great day. Cheers.